Hello, this is Mr. Golias, and today we're taking a look at the bonus Genius Hour navigation time. It is a bonus. This is something extra. If you're ahead of the game, you can just add this to your Genius Hour slides, call it bonus Genius Hour navigation time. Question one is a huge one. Now that you've already done credible websites, this gives you an opportunity to start looking for credible sources for your research. Right now you would just write number one and just start pasting links and hit enter after each one. If you were to find 3 or 4 good websites today, you would put yourself in an awesome position moving forward as we start researching later this week. You're not doing your paraphrasing of research facts just yet. Just collect the sites, and that might look something like this, where it says cell phones affects the brain. Maybe I go to this first one and I'm trying to find out, on the effects of radiation on the brain, and maybe this one I decide, I don't know, it's okay, but I've never heard of this source. I'm not feeling it's as credible, but you'll notice the second one is cancer.gov, which is probably going to be a super reliable one. There's tons of articles. This is going to be a link. I would just copy this. I would go to my slide, and instead of having all this, what I would have, I would just put that and hit enter. And then I'd be ready to add another link and see if I can get a few of those. So that would be the first step that I would go with. Step 2, if you look up here, was find useful websites if you're going to create something. I give a few examples: coding, video games, and apps, and I have some samples here. So if you're going to do an app, here's one, appinventor.mit. This is a good one where there's some multiple options. Another one where some students have made some cool ones is this AppyPie. You might want to check this one out. There's tons of others, so this would be a chance to just navigate. If you're looking to make a video game, scratch.mit.edu is an awesome site where you will do a little bit of coding, and there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube to teach you how to do that. We have a bunch of people doing coding. Code.org is an awesome place to go to if you want to learn. Also, Code Combat is a good one to check out, but this is a time to just find out what it is you want to use, and if you're on that phase, you can actually start doing it. So for part 2, you could actually start doing this. The last thing, let's say you have a partner, you're making a video. If you've already found your research links, one last thing you can do is start planning your video that you're going to create, and just start, make a timeline for it or storyboards, and just get yourself ready to go for the video as well. So this is a chance for you to kind of get ahead of the game, and hopefully you take advantage of it. Good luck.